guys, Nina here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing this wig which I have on right here, and it's from ENL Beauty. And ENL Beauty is my hair and makeup brand, guys. I know it might seem like I'm being biased here by reviewing a product from myself, but at least I'm thankful for the fact that I'm letting you guys know ahead of time that ENL Beauty is my makeup and hair brand, so you know that okay, I'm actually reviewing a product for myself. If I know I cannot afford to give influencers hair, a full hair, for them to review and also pay them on top of it, I might as well do the review myself. After all, I know good quality hair, so who better to shout out yourself than yourself? So I'm shouting out myself, I'm shouting out my brand in this video. So if you want to hear the details about this wig, then please keep on watching this video. Let's get right into it. Guys, this wig I'm wearing right here is a 16-inch hair, and it's made with double drawn Vietnamese hair. And what I used in making this hair is 3 bundles of 16-inch hair and an 18-inch closure. The reason why I like to use longer closures is because I don't like that ratchet look whereby you have a shorter length closure on the upper part of your longer bundles and it starts to look like, oh, there are plenty of short hairs running through your wig. So for my wigs, I always love to use a longer length of closure and combine it with shorter length of bundles. And for this particular wig look, I made it such that if you are tired of the straight hair look, you can also just coil it and it still look good. That's the reason why I chose to use just 16-inch, because as much as this hair is straight, you can still coil it and have it look a bit wavy if you're going for the wavy look. So you're not just stuck with just, oh, it's a straight hair and it's only straight you can wear. You can still coil this hair and it will look bomb. It might even look more beautiful than the way it looks right now straight. So guys, I want to show you what this hair really looks like on the back side, so you get to have a little feel of what the hair is like. I don't know, I'm sweating and so the hair is sticking to my body a bit more. I think it's still fine. So guys, this is what the hair looks like on the back side of it. Yeah. And guys, like, if you've ever seen hair this lush before and smooth and easy to play with and just easy to run your fingers through, let me know. But then this hair is just very smooth, so silk and easy to work with, guys. You can just see I'm not using a hairbrush, and you can easily just flip your hair around and even just play around with the hair and it's just following you. So guys, if you want sleek, straight blonde hair, holla at ENL Beauty. So how much will it cost you to have a wig like this from ENL Beauty? The cost price of this wig is 111,000 naira. That's like 111,000. That's the cost price of this hair wig, and it's equivalent to $222 in the dollar. That's the dollar equivalent of this wig right here. So guys, how long can this wig last you? So let's say you're probably wearing this wig like almost every day of the week. I can assure you that this wig will still last you for at least a minimum of 10 years. So long as much as you're wearing it every day, you still remember to get to at least wash it maybe every 2 months or so. At least just try and ensure you wash the hair, even if you are suffering the hair so much by wearing it every day. At least just try and ensure that as much as you are rocking the hair every day, always try to brush it and keep it aside neatly at the end of the day, and don't just wear it and you dump it and you wear it again without even taking time to even brush the hair, because of course you might just be making the hair not look as nice as it should actually look. So guys, so as I've said earlier, the hair retails for $222, which is equivalent to 111,000 naira in naira. So guys, this hair right here is actually not prone to shedding at all. Let me roll my fingers through it so you guys see. No hair falling out, no hair falling out. So this hair right here is not prone to tangling at all. It's also not prone to shedding, because as much as I'm even sweating behind me, because man, this room is hot, though there are plenty of lights on and the generator was turned on before. As much as I'm sweating a lot on my back, it's still not tangling at the back side. You can still see that even the back is still silk and smooth. So even if you're wearing your wigs in a very hot environment, if you're sweating on your hair, if you're sweating, the wig wouldn't be, you know, getting tangled at the back side, even if as much as you are actually sweating. So you can see how the texture of this hair looks. The hair looks as in I don't let me just allow you be the judge and not even talk so much. You can see, let me let the hair speak for itself. You can see how the hair looks. You can just see how it looks and how it feels. Man, it's so smooth. You want to just touch it all the time. The hair is so smooth, guys. And actually, it's also very, very full, because I used just 3 bundles of this hair, and it's 2x4 closure, which is the smallest size of closure available in the market. So let me just show you what the hair looks like when I pack it together, so you see how the 3 bundles is. So this is the size of the whole hair. Yeah, it's so full, guys. It's very, very full. So if you want to get full blonde hair as a wig that wouldn't shed, wouldn't tangle, that would last you a very long time, and doesn't have a foul smell, right? It has a really nice, really nice sense to it, then I think you should check out this wig from ENL Beauty. You'd really love it. And it's only available via pre-order, so it's more like if you place an order for this wig on our website, you have to wait a while before you receive it, and it actually would take a period of 3 weeks to a month before you receive it, because of course you might want to get a longer length or a shorter length of the hair depending on your preference. And if it's a situation whereby you want a custom order, then you could reach out to us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp link is going to be in the description box, so that you could get the particular order which you want customized for you. And if it's a situation whereby, oh, you like the way the hair looks but you don't want to buy the wig from me because you feel like probably I'm making so much profit on your hair, which is not really true, and you rather get my hair vendor information, because I actually sell my hair vendor information. Also get the hair vendor information by clicking on the link in the description box. Actually purchase my hair vendor information. So if you feel like you don't want to buy my hair, if you don't want to buy the hair directly from me and you rather go to the source, hit me up and purchase my hair vendor information. Link in the description box also. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and you like this wig and you really like to check it out, purchase it from ENL Beauty's website. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the hair. If you like blonde hair, if you've ever tried blonde hair before and you think that a blonde hair wouldn't fit you. And the beauty of the way this blonde hair is the way the roots of the closure has this brownish vibe to it, so it doesn't really look so far. It doesn't look like, oh, I just put something different for my hair. It doesn't make me look so different from my normal self. Though the thing with blonde hair is when you wear like a blonde hair, you stand out. Actually, it makes you look more, will I say, it makes you look louder, like you're more like, you know, I'm in your face. It makes you more, it makes you easier to spot, or I don't even know which English do I use. It makes you louder. Let me just say it makes you louder, and you know, people thinking like, who is that girl on a blonde hair? They get on a blonde hair. So if you want to just change your look, you've been looking for something to just like spice up your look a bit, then I think you should actually try a blonde hair. And the reason why I tend to stick more with closure wigs is because it's just easier to deal with. Nobody has time to be styling the frontal or trying to make sure your frontal looks bomb. Like, who has time for that? Like, seriously, I still have a 9-to-5 job, and honestly I struggle with managing my 24 hours in a day. So that's the reason why I love closure wigs, and this one right here is a closure wig, so it's just easier to manage for you. Wear it and you're out. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all my subscribers. You guys have been amazing, and thanks to all those who support me by liking my videos, sharing my videos, and even taking the time to even leave a comment in my video. I really want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and I wish you all the very best in life. And don't forget to always be bold, have courage, and live a positive life, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.